What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and today is Wednesday, May 18th, 2022, and it's been 42 years since Mt St Helens exploded. So, it all started at on a random Sunday morning at 8:30 in the morning, and nothing was really going on by the volcano until a 5.1 magnitude earthquake struck over there, and the volcano just bursted and erupted. And there was a lot of smoke and ash going into the air, and it was spreading for long distances. And this thing triggered a massive landslide, one of the most massive landslides in history. And it covered up a lot of things. This landslide took over a lot of things, and it fell, and this landslide happened on the side of the mountain. Yeah, it was a very bad landslide. It was one of the worst landslides in history. That a big part of the mountain just slid on the side of the volcano. So, yeah, it was a deadly eruption. It was very deadly. Mt St Helens, the eruption was so deadly that it killed about over 50 people and 7,000 animals bear, deers, and elk. Yeah, I even saw a video of the explosion, and there was this video where a bunch of animals were running for the hills because they were so scared because they knew something wasn't right after that 5.1 hit near St. Helens and exploded. So yeah, you don't need a 6.0 or a 7.0 to have a volcano explode that bad. All it took was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake that caused Mt St Helens to explode. And that's a pretty moderate earthquake. You could definitely feel a 5.1. I don't know who wouldn't be able to feel it, but if you're in that area, you would definitely feel it. You can't miss it. Yeah, so the 5.1 magnitude earthquake was the only ingredient that blew up the whole mountain. And that volcano just exploded, triggering a massive landslide that covered so much of land. There was a lot of ash in the air that is spread for miles and miles in the US. So, yeah. I watch a lot of Mt St Helens videos from time to time, and I gotta say, it looks extremely scary. Seeing all that ash go into the air and that side of the mountain just falling. Yeah, remember guys, all it took was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake in just 2 months for Mt St Helens to erupt like that. Yeah, there's a lot of volcanoes in the US and Canada. And Yellowstone's one of the volcanoes we have to be worried about. There's a lot of volcanoes out there we have to be on high alert for. Yeah, like Yellowstone, for example. A lot of volcanoes out there. I can tell you that. So, this is the 42nd anniversary of when Mt St Helens blew its top. And I know it was on a Sunday because I saw the 1980 calendar before, and May 18th, 1980 was on a Sunday because May started on a Thursday that year. I mean, when a month starts on a Thursday, the 18th on a Sunday. Yeah, I've seen the calendars before. I've seen a lot of calendars from back then. I'm sorry I didn't do this earlier to talk about Mt St Helens because my battery on my camera died out the last time I tried making this video, and I've been exercising a lot today, so that was the whole reason. The batteries in my camera died out and I had to recharge them through the day, and I was exercising during it, and I also had game 1 of round 2 of the Rangers and the Carolina Hurricanes, which is a game we just lost in overtime. We were leading 1-0, and all of a sudden, toward the end of the third period, Carolina comes back, and then they beat us out in overtime, like in like 2 minutes or one. I was focusing on the players and not the time. I don't know what time in the first overtime they scored it. It was just the first few minutes into overtime. So I was doing a lot while my batteries for the camera were charging. Yeah, they got exhausted the last time I tried filming this. So I apologize if I wait till last minute to do this. But I just wanted to share with you guys of what happened to Mt St Helens on this day 42 years ago. And it's hard to believe it was 42 years ago. Time went by so quick in just 42 years. And some people still remember it like it was yesterday. Yeah, I promised New York Prepper I was going to do this. But now it's coming late, and I apologize for it. Sorry for any delays. I know it's 10 o'clock at night, and I'm doing this last minute, but I was just busy in between, and my batteries needed charging. So I guess that's it. Bye.